Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself for those who want to design very beautiful, stylish, elegant and creative design ideas of their baby girl dresses. Friends, in my today's entire video, you will see different type of patterns, different type of stitching styles, different type of designing ideas for your baby girls. But friends, don't go anywhere. This video collection is not only domain based onto baby girl dress designing, but you can also design dresses of big girls, teenagers, and decent and delicate embroidery patterns could be made on your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and any type of tops that you use to wear onto your upper part of the body. So don't go anywhere, watch the video till end. I hope that you will like my today's collection. A very beautiful, prettiest light and dark combination of fabric and threads with a very beautiful and easy, friendly and beginner style ideas that are very easy to make with the use of 2 to 3 hand embroidery stitches that are also beginner based, so that everybody who likes embroidery or hand embroidery artists can make these patterns or design these dresses. So now let's move towards our main concern, which type of embroidery thread you can use to make these patterns. Then friends, the answer to this is you can use wool, anchor, DMC, or any type of silky thread or any type of cotton thread as well. So in short, if we summarize it, then the answer is that which type of embroidery thread you like, you can use for this. And one more thing friends, from today's video you can not only get design ideas related to hand embroidery, but you can also get stylish, creative and amazing ideas related to the stitching of baby girls frocks, baby girl tops, baby girls shirts, or any type of baby girl dressing patterns. So guys, this video is a treat 2-in-1 for embroidery artists as well as for stitching lovers. So if you really like my today's video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you can remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, and stay tuned for my latest and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, stay blessed, and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, stay motivated, and be positive in every aspect of life.